Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to explain how you can install and add sidebar extensions to your sidebar in Opera browser. So let us dive into this. So we'll launch the Opera browser and you will find the sidebar here on the left hand side, unless of course you have disabled it in your appearance browser settings. So if that's not the case and show sidebar selected, you will see the sidebar here on the left hand side. So there may be different plugins added to it, functions, but also extensions. To install these Opera extensions to your sidebar, what you want to do is right click into your sidebar here, select sidebar setup, and you will see, for instance, these plugins and apps installed or extensions. So what you want to do is scroll down and click into sidebar extensions. That is going to redirect you to that menu here. So what you want to do, guys, is use the search bar here, or let me go with I don't know, that one here for example. Click into it, select add to Opera on the top right, and then the given extension will be added to that sidebar, like we see for instance here, like I don't know, WhatsApp and Instagram and so on and so forth, so that you may log into the given app or use it via the sidebar. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.